You have to move across, so we don't want to lose this. Come on, Dewey. Here, Dewey. Ah, it's a bloody shark. Yeah! It's called a gummy shark. There we go.
El Gummy.
El Gummo.
El Gummo.
Come on, Carlos. Use those computer muscles. Quick. All right, let's see what he's got. It's a, oh shit, look at that. That's a big brake seat. Big brake seat.
Here's the other one.
We get him in action.
Hand pressure.
Yep, he's on. He's on. Look at that. Look at the size of that brake seat. God, isn't that magnificent?
Beautiful.
Queenie.
I told you it was a Queenie. Look at that. Well done.
Nice Queenie. You want him?
Here we go. Moment of truth. It's a big chunk. It is. And he's just eaten all my other shit.
Shut up and sit down.
Good morning everyone to another show. I'm here today with Raymondo. G'day, mate.
Morning.
How you going?
Well,
And
you?
Carlos.
Good morning.
Hello Carlos and Raymondo. Anyway, so we just got to the spot and we're just searching for some fish. We've just installed our new transducer which we're getting used to. But anyway guys, thanks for watching. Welcome to the show again. And please don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, give us a thumbs up and share it around. So thanks again guys. So hopefully we get something on there. All right, see you soon. Well, Raymond, I think there is fish here, mate. What do you think? Look at that. Look at the size of that brake seat. God, isn't that magnificent?
Beautiful.
Now, I've got it on bottom meat. 750 grammer. Oh, thank you very much. See you soon. So the advantage of having an electric reel is, when you catch nothing, you just press the button and it's not so bad. Good.
Yes, sir.
First drop of a G. Yes, sir. Unacceptable.
Any bites, Carlos?
Not yet.
Well, we'll have to wait for Raymondo, see what he's got. It's not massive, but it's a fish. Carlos is on! Hey! What has he got? What has he got? Oh, a little nanagazzi.
Nanagazzi.
Oh, nanagazzi there.
Nanagazzi love chicks.
All right, we'll see what Carlos has got. What has he got? What do you got? Little nanny. Oh, it's a little one. It's all right. He's got to go back. What do you have, Carlos? What is it? You got nanagazzi? Little pinky. Beautiful.
That's meat.
Meat.
Oh,
Look at that. Nice. Guys, come on. Yes, Carlos. Raymondo's on for sure this time. And I got another cuttlefish. No, get off.
you need another one?
Oh. Now hold him out there like that.
No way.
Hold him out there like that. Hold him out there. Don't bring him in. Don't bring him in. Don't bring him in yet. Isn't he fantastic? Look at the sexy thing. Look at him. Woo! Hello. Ugly. Raymond's about to strike. Hang on. 5, 4. See if we can get him in action. See if we can get him in action. Can we get him in action?
Hand pressure.
Yep. He's on. He's on. He's on. Don't lose it, whatever you do.
Shit, Michael.
No, not yet, not yet. Ah, wait.
What do you
Hang on.
want to do?
Hang on. We're gonna get the no, we're gonna get a hook out first. You need pliers? Just there. Right there. Next to Carlos's Carlos. Carlos all the way from Melbourne. West. Oh! No thanks. No big snots on my boat.
What's happening, mate?
Come on, Carlos.
Come on.
I'm gonna run out of video.
Not everyone has electric reels.
Oh, right. No? What is it?
Fish thing.
It's a
Stop.
big nana guy. No, it's a foxfish.
Yeah.
Red foxfish.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't, bring him on, bring him on. Beautiful.
Are they?
Beautiful. Oh, look at that.
You know who's going to eat?
Foxfish. Beautiful. Oh, Raymond. Well done, Carlos. All right. We're going to do with this. Actually, I'll show you this. Look how big this cuttlefish is. That has to be at least, what, 8 kilo?
Oh, that's a big one.
Oh, mate, that is just crazy. All right, we'll see you soon. Oh, what happened? You look like you were, oh. What is he? Oh, it's bait. It's bait. Good bait, good ground. We needed that too. Yes.
This is what happens. I asked.
Oh.
Bacon.
Yes. See what happens? You should have said Jewfish, not Sergeant Baker's. All right. See you soon. You're not coming tomorrow. You bastard.
No longer allowed.
Well, oh, you go put down your elf and sorry for you. Look, bang, get a fuck. Oh. You got your drag set?
Yeah.
Yeah, you sure? So the fish can go, it's gonna go?
Where to?
Because we don't want to lose it.
Are we still there?
Well, I was just getting a bite and then. Wait,
Me.
whoa! Can we get that on camera? Yes!
You hammered that one, mate.
Is that Carl? Carlos!
Oh, big
Breaksy cod.
breaksy.
Look at that! Look at that, beautiful! Yum yum! That's alright, that's only my bag. Hey, go, I got colour. What have I got? I got a little Nagazzi. He's not exactly a record breaker. Carlos, sabotage. Bloody hell, mate. Oh no. I'm the only one allowed to catch fish here. Mess. Anyway, gotta deal with this shit and. Ramondo! Nagazzi? Good.
I didn't know about
Oh, little nana guy. Oh no. So it's got to go back. What do you got, Ramondo? Not big one. Oh, you might have a cuttlefish. Oh, I got that one, Carlos. That's a little dog, eh? Oh no, it's a big one. Oh yeah, it's fighting. He drags that, buddy.
It's pretty tight.
Oh, good, good. What has Carlos got? Let's have a look. The other half, you reckon? To make up for one?
Maybe. Oh, did you have a limit?
Yeah, might have done. Oh, I got more bait. More bait.
It hits hard and then fades.
Good ground, good ground. Carlos! What do you have?
Something.
That's a good one. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, Carlos. Oh, don't lose it, Carlos. Don't lose it. I'll try and get one. Oh, come on, Carlos. Use those computer muscles. Okay. Let's do it. All right, let's see what he's got. It's a, oh shit, look at that. That's a big breaksy. Big
Here's
breaksy.
the other one. Oh no, and a mess in half.
Ah. Thanks, Carlos.
Look,
Thank you
last
very much,
fish.
Carlos.
I got a fish.
Holy shit. Anyway, gotta sort this. There's no one in the fishing world as a cluster, you know what. Look at oh shit. And again. Big or small? Small. Oh, well. See what happens. Carlos, this is the time.
Alright, we have colour.
You got colour? Alright. Waiting for Carlos here. What has he got? Looks like a big nanny. Is it a big nanny?
Sideways now.
Alright, it's a big something. That's a big nanny. Oh, look at that. Yes. Oh, You're very lucky. Look at that, and you frigged my line.
Again.
That's worth it. Look at this. Oh yeah.
Beautiful.
Shit there.
That's not the Dewey. Hang on, let's go. Let's move it. All right. All right, then we're gonna get rid of all that tangle there. Oh, this is just nuts. I gotta go. If you have to move across, so we don't want to lose this. Come on, Dewey. Here, Dewey. Oh, it's a bloody shark. Yes. Well done. Hang on. We got to deal with this. Well, well, that was. Oh, that's what Raymond got. It's called a gummy shark. There we go.
El Gummy.
El Gummo.
El Gummo.
So that's going to be someone's dinner, fish and chips for sure. All right, guys, we're going to clean this shark up and see you soon. Morning everybody, it's another day. We're starting to head out. We're getting our lunch ready. So it's going in the fire warmer. Don't forget to subscribe, share it around. Give us a thumbs up if you want. Until then, see you in a second, see what happens. Alright, see you later. You loosen it so we don't lose the fish, Carl. You know how important this fish is? Hey Carlos, you know how important this is?
This is our first drift. It's fine.
First, yeah, but look at what we had to go through to get here. Look at this. It's got a good fight. That looks like a queenie to me.
That looks like
Queenie or a snapper?
that. I think it's a nanny.
No way. That's too big to be a nanny. That'd be massive for a nanny. No way it's a nanny. Woo! That was a good almost jump over that one. All right. Well, I'll just show you after Carl, you know, finishes
Giving
ooh and ahhing and giving birth. Sounds like he's giving birth. All right.
Again.
Well, this is Carlos and Raimondo's second fish, like fishing trip in 900 days, I think they were saying. So, because Carl comes from over east, and obviously because of the pandemic and all that bullshit, we wasn't able to get here. So now this is our first time. So I have the pleasure of taking them out. Isn't that good?
Appreciate it.
Big, whatever it is.
It's a queenie.
I told you it was a queenie.
Man knows what he's talking about.
There we go. But he's got good meat. Look at that.
It's a princess.
Well done.
It's a princess.
Yeah. See what happened? You got caught on the bottom.
Yeah.
And he bit at the same time. And you got yourself a little queenie. You see a bit of
Oh, beautiful.
seagrass. Yeah, it is. You just see the colour of these when they come up, mate. Beautiful, eh?
Oh, stunning.
Have a look at this. These colours.
This fish.
It's beautiful. Nice queen. You want him? All right, I'm just gonna take a photo and then. You got a shark. Ray, we got a shark.
It's shark bait.
What do we got here? What do we got? Look at that.
Shark.
Yes. Little bronzy, I think, isn't it? No, I can't see what it is. Whatever it was, it came up from the bottom. All right, guys, we're just gonna go and deal with this and we're back shortly. Guess what? We found a flare up. Look. Look at that. On the other sounder. Now we're gonna see. We don't know. This is a spot we haven't fished, but it doesn't want to stop. It just keeps on going and going.
Look at it. How many?
We'll see what happens. Carlos, you're on again.
It's a bit sick.
A bit sick. You're all right. You don't look too white, so you're all right. Keep going. Keep going. See what it is, surely. This is what he got. Look. Carlos again. What's going on? All right, let's put some hooks on our lines now. Yep.
It's funny.
What do we got? It's not a Dewey, surely not. Not a Dewey, can't be. It's a Dewey! Ah! Look at that! Ah! It's a Dewey! That was your fish. That was your fish. Little Dewey. Oh, what a beautiful arsey bastard. All right, we're gonna go and deal with this Jewfish.
Deal with this.
And
Fish.
here we go. Moment of truth. It's a big chunk. It is. And he's just eaten all my other shit. Yeah. I wish we had smell-o-vision, because I tell you what, we got that pizza's almost ready. It's in there. And it smells great. So, anyway. Yum. And crunchy too. Well, we're back in. Actually, I'll go this way. So Raymond and Carl, they're cleaning the fish. So we got a few fish. It wasn't very rough. Carl got a little bit sick. But anyway, we're back in now. And I'd like to say thanks for watching, guys. And we'll see you next week. Until then, stay safe and happy fishing. See you later. Are they over there? There's their mates over there waiting.